Welcome back to the Forensics Detailing channel, guys. Just thought I'd do a follow-up video on the graphene coating that we talked about on the main channel a few months ago. I think it was a few months ago, January, something like that. Maybe 3 months ago. So I've got the coating here, the ArtDeShine Nano Graphene, which comes in like a bottle. You know, it's a bit like a ceramic coating in terms of the little glass bottles, although chemically it's not a ceramic coating. And the graphene quick detailer spray. Now the panel that I applied this to in the first video, well, let's just go and see it. It's outside. So what we can do, so I take a brush and we'll take some APC. We'll just clean the panel down and see what's going on with it. I've got no glass. I've got no glass in the door. It's crazy. So here it is. You see it's covered in kind of dust, which is interesting. Bird crap there on both sides, which is quite an interesting thing. It's been washed down a few times as well. So what I'm going to do, we'll just take our new Rumpy Pumpy, spray it down. Get the water. It was freezing today. I think it was warm. Really cold winds. Probably going to have wind noise in this as well. I just realised. Let me just agitate this. It's nice to get a bit of water on here. Have a look what it's like under rinse. Just increase pressure. Pretty good. It's definitely a lot slower. It's quite funky the way it's moving actually. It's quite unusual, that is. Up. Quite funky, that. That sort of move, I've never seen that before. It's kind of like moving in little stages. Let's just hit it again. clean microfiber towel. Because the better. Strangely, strange pattern to that water behaviour on the graphene side that I've not seen before. It's kind of like just normal. It's just see if I can see any bird poo etching. It was there and there. Can't really see on either side. Maybe the ceramic has protected them both a little bit. I'm just going to put that back down. Just have a feel of the panel as well. I don't know if it's... I'd say that feels slightly smoother, but they're both wet, so you can't really tell. Let's rinse that out. Day and okay for my family. 2 seconds, sorry. Let's get inside. Well, it's not strictly speaking inside if it's not weather tight. Pop that up. Right, pop the pressure. I've been having a tidy up as well, guys. So let's come over here and finish off this video. So I thought it'd be just a good opportunity to look at how it's performing on that test panel 3 months later. It sits outside, and whenever I'm cleaning the car, I'll wipe the panel down, and if I can remember I've got APC left over on the brush, I just give it a wash down. I've probably washed it about, I don't know, somewhere between about 6 and 10 times with nothing too harsh. And it had 3 cycles of being washed and leaving the wonder wheels on there for a long time. So it did get, it's not a fresh application, it's been hit with harsh chemicals. But I think all I can say is that the graphene coating is still going strong after 3 months. What's going to happen to it? Well, that hydrophobic performance will continue to deteriorate. How long will it last? I don't know. I mean, it's supposed to be a 5-year coating, although you're supposed to double layer it, I think, to get the 5 years. Would you need to be topping it with the graphene detailer? Just like if you put a 5-year ceramic coating on your car, every now and then that coating needs a top up. It's not just the fact that the coating's getting buried. I don't quite understand why, you know, but the coating loses its hydrophobic kind of qualities. Anything does, even though the materials are still there. Is it oxidization on the surface? Not sure, but even if I used an acid cleaner or a strong alkaline, I'll never be able to get the hydrophobic performance back like it was for the first week when I applied it. But that coating is looking quite good. I'm going to be applying this once all the lockdown stuff is over and done with. I'm going to be applying this to a car that I can track and monitor, not one of mine, because I use them too much. I can't apply it. Could apply it to the Golf possibly, although that needs some paintwork. The Club Sport needs paintwork, so there's no point applying it to that. So I want to apply it to a car with good paintwork to actually protect it. So we will be doing that, and I'll be doing a video over here on gloss sooner or later. So for the short term, guys, I just thought you'd be interested to see how that graphene coating has stood up 3 months after it was installed. So thank you very much for watching, and I shall see you soon on the Forensics Detailing channel. Bye for now.